So, hey you guys, I just received my Sephora package in the mail and I am super excited. This is the new KAYALI, I believe it's the Vanilla Royale Sugar Patchouli. I'm so excited. And this is what she looks like. I am super excited to go ahead and unbox this and give you my first impression on this. Yeah, so let's do that. I want to form my own impression about this and just give my thoughts on it. So if you want to see what I have to say about this, just keep watching. I want to do a quick unboxing of this. I already started pulling off that little paper on the back and I'm just so excited. I want to go ahead and just see what she looks like. So let's do this together. I love the fact that all the notes are on the back of the box now, which are vanilla sur absolute, golden rum, creme brulee, brown sugar, royal oud, and sugared patchouli. And let's see what's on the inside. Okay, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Wow. Okay, let's try to get this out of the box. Hold on, because I'm trying to do this vlog style, but hold on. Let's try to get this beautiful bottle out of this box. Okay, so I couldn't do it with one-handed, so this is what we're working with, okay? Look at this. Look at this KAYALI Vanilla Royale Sugared Patchouli. This is such a beautiful bottle. Again, she has all the notes on the back. Beautiful. And let's see if it is opaque. Yes, you can definitely see how much liquid we have in here and what we're working with. So I'm really excited to go ahead and get this on my skin and get a wear test on this. And like I said, hopefully the reviews are going to be good, because this is definitely my hard-earned coin that I use in order to get this. And yeah, so regardless, it is going to be my personal opinion. Okay, you guys, so right now it is about 10:22 a.m. and I'm all dressed, ready for Thanksgiving dinner, ready to, do what I gotta do. And I wanted to put this to the test. So I did buy, I believe this is the 50 ml, the 1.7 ounce. And I wanted to go ahead and use this. This is such a gorgeous bottle, beautiful gold cap. Oh, it's just so precious. And don't mind my fingerprints all over it. I just love this. And hopefully I like the smell on the inside. So let's go ahead and give it a test and see if this is something that I am going to like. Okay, so right off the top, it is very boozy in the opening. You definitely get that rum, I believe that's what it is, that just automatically hits you. So Mona, please let this work. It is definitely, it's different. All right. I don't know. So I grew up in the West Indies where oud is a very common. Every single house has some type of essential oil, or oud is in some type of body care product, no matter who you are, no matter what household or background that you come from. So I am definitely used to oud. I love oud. The problem here is, okay, okay, hold on. I don't, okay, the patchouli in here is not bad at all. I just, it's different, definitely. I was really expecting vanilla 28 DNA, I guess, and this is totally different because the patchouli is loud. Then there's the oud in here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is spray on just a little bit more, have dinner with my family, and I will come back later on and let you know what the lasting power on this is, whether it lasted on my skin, and whether I really, really liked it. Right now, I like. I don't love it over the top because it's different. It's different, and so we'll see. If you're not a big fan of oud, I think this is definitely a good introduction. Yeah, because it is a very toned down oud, and I'm definitely gonna wear this out for the rest of the day, see what my family has to say about it. So what I'm gonna do now is just spray this all over, go out, have dinner with my family and my friends, come back and definitely give you my final impression on this. And hopefully I like it, because so far it's a yes, but I want a yes, yes, if you know what I mean. So I am going to spray myself, and I am going to go out to dinner, come back with my last impression. So you guys, I am back, and I am back on my final review, my final take on this KAYALI Vanilla Royale Sugared Patchouli 64. I love this. I love this. I gained compliments in the first 20 minutes of wearing this. What I most enjoyed about this was the dry down. If you like oud and patchouli mixed together with a little bit of vanilla, you would definitely like this one. You have to have a certain appreciation for oud in order to like this. Like I said, this is an introduction to oud because it is not very heavy in this fragrance. The patchouli and the oud mixed together is very well blended, I would say, in this particular fragrance. Right now on my skin, I smell, it's almost, I can't even explain it. It is a very, it's almost a burnt sugar type of smell. I don't know if I'm saying that right, because this is definitely just my first impression, but it definitely leaves a burnt type of sugar smell on my skin, and I am here for it. I was so confused in the opening of this fragrance. But on the mid, I was beginning to get a little bit of that oud and that patchouli, which is bearable. And in the dry down, I mean, everything just meshes together, and the vanilla definitely came out. It is not a sweet, sugary, sweet, candy-like vanilla. It is very subtle, but it definitely comes out in the dry down of this fragrance, and I loved it. So I must say that 6 hours later, I love the burnt sugar smell on my skin. You do really have to appreciate that type of scent. I mean, it mixes very well with my chemistry, I must say. So, I mean, I really, really love the dry down of this. But right now, I love this. I'm so happy that I invested in it. I'm definitely going to get a larger bottle because it's good. It's good. But again, like I said, you have to appreciate oud, you have to be a big fan of it, or grow up with people that wear it constantly in order for you to appreciate what's in this bottle. And maybe I don't know what creme brulee smells like, but definitely right now I'm smelling like, not gourmand, but I'm definitely on the dry down of that burnt sugar smell. So I love it. This is amazing. So again, that is my take, that is my review on this new fragrance from KAYALI. And yeah, so that is it for me. I am going to get rid of the day and get ready for work tomorrow. And I love you. God bless you. And until my next video.